Today we're taking a look at these LED taillights with all black housings and clear lenses for the 2013 to 2018 Ram 1500s with the factory LED taillights. These taillights offer a slick, modern appearance while enhancing visibility and safety on the road with brighter LED technology. These LED taillights feature a full black housing with the clear lenses, providing a clean, aggressive look that complements the Ram 1500's design. The all black housing is going to give you kind of that blacked out look while still having a clear lens to give you a very bright light output. The LED technology ensures brighter and more efficient illumination compared to the traditional bulbs, improving visibility for drivers behind you and all those distracted drivers. Also, these taillights are designed to be a direct replacement for the factory units, making sure they're compatible with the vehicle's existing wiring and mounting points. For Ram 1500 owners looking to upgrade their vehicle's appearance and their lighting performance, these taillights offer a practical solution. The enhanced brightness and the modern styling is not only going to improve safety, but also gives the truck a distinct look that helps it stand out on the road from the stock. Constructed from durable materials, these taillights are built to withstand the elements and those rigors of daily driving. The black housing is going to be resistant to fading and corrosion, while the clear lenses are designed to maintain their clarity over time, and they're not going to get hazy or foggy like those stock lenses tend to do. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that mid $200 price range. This is going to be a cost-effective upgrade that enhances both the aesthetics and the functionality of your vehicle's rear lighting. Installation on this is very straightforward, so it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you can have these installed in just about 1 hour of your time. Now let's see exactly how these go on your truck with an install video from one of our American Trucks customers.
Today we'll be upgrading the taillights on a 2018 Ram 1500 Rebel, and the only tool you will need for this is a screwdriver with a T25 Torx on there. Please do not use a drill or impact. The screws are not meant for that. The first step is to remove these two T25s. This is on the driver's side. Then on that passenger side, you just want to do the same thing. Once that's all set, you just want to go ahead and pull straight out with this, so it's straight towards you. To get this clip out next, this little red tab kind of wants to be pushed up. You just take a screw or something you got laying around, push that up a little bit, and then you can pull it out. And it doesn't need to come all the way out, just needs to come out a little bit. And then with that, you go ahead and push on this. There you go. Things on there pretty good. And with this taken apart, you just have these two right here. This twists out, pops out like that. And this one, you just want to pull up on this. Pull it out of that socket. The new taillights, this just goes in there, nice and snug. And this guy just goes right here, same deal, twist. And then this just plugs into your factory harness. And you'll have the same process for the other side. So as we get ready to put this back in, you'll notice that there are these two tabs right here. Just go on these plastic pieces. Like I said, they include extras if you break these, but you'll want them to actually lock in this side of the taillight. And there's not a whole lot of room between the taillight and the frame of the bed, and so it's good to just tuck everything back in here that you can. And all we gotta do is line these back up. Press until you hear the click. Just click right there. Throw that back through. And then right back here. Right back here. Now I'm lining up those clips. Press into place. Should hear that nice sound when it all locks back in. And then we'll just throw these 2 screws back in. And do the same on the other side.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the LED taillights with all black housings and clear lenses for the 2013 to 2018 Ram 1500 with those factory LED taillights. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.